Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best blender food processor combo you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the blender food processor combo on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which blender food processor combo are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Cuisinart FP13 DSV food processor. If you see the menu of food processor for tackle food prep tasks in both large and small, then the Cuisinart FP13 DSV food processor is one of the best choice. It has dicing disc features with 10mm screen for dicing food into perfect squares, and we've also included a cleaning tool to keep it in top operating condition. The 13-cup work bowl easily handles larger quantities of ingredients, making it perfect for big family meal. 2 stainless steel blades and 2 discs make quick work of chopping nuts, pureeing soup, slicing tomatoes, shredding cheese and more. The high gloss base adds high style to any kitchen. For details, let's watch more. Our second best blender food processor combo is Vitamix Explorian blender. With 10 variable speed control allow you to refine every texture with culinary precision. Low profile 64-ounce container is perfect for family meals and entertaining, while fitting comfortably under most kitchen cabinets. This product hardens stainless steel blades designed to handle the toughest ingredients, so from the first blend to the last, you get the same quality results. In terms of self-cleaning, with a drop of dish soap and warm water, your Vitamix machine can clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds. The powerful 2.2 horsepower motor can handle even tough ingredients to create high-quality blends. Let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is Instant Cooking Blender. This durable and versatile blender makes meal prep a breeze. With 8 smart, one-touch programs and 3 manual speed settings, you can quickly crush, grind and blend ingredients to prepare all your favorites. Easily and quickly make smoothies, icy treats, frozen desserts, oat milk, soy milk and rice milk. Or customize the cooking temperature for full control when cooking soups, purees, sauces and dips. Adjustments will be remembered automatically. 4 hot blending programs turn fresh ingredients into chunky soups, smooth purees, sauces and more in no time. 4 cold blending programs make it easy to whip up tasty dips, milkshakes, smoothies and other cold beverages. For details, let's watch more. Fourth recommendation in our side is Vitamix A2500 Smart Blender. With variable speed control and pulse feature lets you fine-tune the texture of any recipe. It has 3 program settings for smoothies, hot soup, and frozen desserts, ensure walk-away convenience and consistent results. This product has a built-in digital timer, removes the guesswork with recipes you process manually, helping you achieve the perfect texture every time. For customized blending system, it has range of compatible container sizes. For know about Vitamix, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best blender food processor combo is Cuisinart BFP 650GM Velocity. Cuisinart introduces the Velocity Ultra Trio food processor with travel cups and has a dynamic threesome that lets you do it all. The blender's smart power and sophisticated electronics minces delicate herbs, whips up smoothies, even chops ice. Blend right in the 2 travel cups, put on the lids, and enjoy healthy drinks to go. Attach the food processor work bowl to slice, shred, chop or mix up a dip. This Cuisinart has ice crush functions with low, high, pulse controls. Let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product videos, we randomly provide special giveaway offer. So, please subscribe Best Pick List for more product deal and guide on your feed. You can also check description for product link and updated prices. Happy shopping!